What's going on YouTube? Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another what I eat in a day or full day of eating video. You wanna say hi? So we booked this Airbnb for another full month, which is amazing. The location is just so good. Derek, Crystal and Brian have now left, so we're here sharing this house with my head coach for our online coaching business, Taylor. He's upstairs, and also my brother Leo is gonna be joining us in a week or so, which is gonna be super fun. Today we have a lot of activities and food planned, so stay tuned, enjoy, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy these what I eat in a day videos. So what are you guys eating today?
We're having oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
You wanna try it?
What do you think, Noah? Alright, so let's make the smoothie. The key ingredients right now are gonna be some mixed berries. This is just, again, like blackcurrant, blueberries, and strawberries. And now I'm gonna be putting in some frozen green peas. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but they're an amazing food. Woo. And then I'm gonna be adding the magnificent Rossport protein toffee fudge. Still my favorite flavor of theirs. They have 12 different flavors to try out. They also do samples, so if you wanna try different samples, definitely check out their website because they have so much to choose from. All organic, safe, heavy metal tested. You guys will love it. So check it out in the description box and use my code Venus10 for a discount. 1 scoop of that in here. I always tell you guys to put the milk in first so that, you know, everything blends together. And I forgot to do that today, so hopefully it still works. Soy milk. And then I'm gonna be adding a half-eaten banana. All right, so fingers crossed that this old thing is able to make the smoothie. That's not a good sign. If you give it a little shake, if you hit it a little bit. All right, Catherine's gonna help me perform surgery on this smoothie.
It's good.
Yeah, it came out good. Thank you, Catherine. Alright guys, so it turns out that the smoothie came out thick enough for a smoothie bowl, which means granola, which is my favorite addiction. And this is our favorite granola brand, Engine 2. Very low in fats, no oil, a little bit of maple syrup, but that's it. And really crunchy, good ingredients. So I really like using the Engine 2. That's it, that's gonna be our breakfast right here. So let's have a little taste right now, see if the green peas ruined the whole thing. Really good. You guys ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready.
So we are now on the way to a farm sanctuary. It's gonna be so much fun. And see you, Taylor.
Bye.
This is Taylor. I'll introduce you guys soon, but he's really busy, working hard. Actually, guys, now that we've gotten used to driving this massive SUV, I kind of like it. It's a good family car.
I like it.
Yeah, it's so spacious, room for many more kids. So, Catherine, you ready to make some more babies? Hey, we arrived. What do you got there? Oh, that's a bird feather. All right, you wanna throw that away?
Beep.
Beep. How are you, Bobby?
Good to see you.
Oh, look at that. Hey.
So that's Charlie. That's Oakja. This is Wilbur. This is Charlie. They were being sold as ready to eat by Thanksgiving. Hands.
So this huge bird is basically only a few months old?
Yes,
Or-
he's what are we in February now? So he's 4 months old.
Wow. What's up, buddy? Huh? What are you eating? It's so amazing. These pigs are just like dogs. It's so cool to see. So smart and so cute.
Flop. Guys
Hey.
want to flop? Usually they'll flop if you rub
Yeah.
their belly long enough. That's what they want.
Yeah.
Watch. Oh, Wilbur.
That is one big turtle. Yeah. That's in such hard hair, right? Huh? Yeah. I don't know, it's almost like hitting, but yeah. As some of you guys know, one of my biggest fears in life are birds. So I'm really facing my fears right now.
Put your other hand on top.
Feels like I just got a new baby. Noah loved the animals, but he seems to love something even more, which is cleaning up. Oh, I see you got a pig in here with you. That's perfect.
Alright, so we finished up at the sanctuary and now we're all feeling hungry, so we did get some pizza.
Yay!
Vegan pizza at Cruiser Vegan Pizza. We got the vegan chicken barbecue. That's always our favorite, so good with ranch dressing on top. Are you excited to try some pizza?
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. I also made him a smoothie to go. Super healthy, nutritious smoothie, so if he wants that, he can have that. And then hopefully he'll have his nap very soon as well.
I'm feeling like a real American dad right now, eating pizza and driving at the same time. I'm so excited to try this. Wow, too good.
Alright.
Can't describe it. Okay guys, so we're back home. Now I'm just gonna be eating this half a mango right here. Noah's over there eating his mango and his little bread with hummus. I have a little extra piece that Noah didn't finish. And Catherine is back here making a donation to the animal sanctuary. So this farm sanctuary only exists because of generous donations from people like you. So if you want to support them, make sure to check them out. Link in the description box as well. Anyway, I'm still kind of full from the pizza, but it was damn worth it. It was amazing. But just to get some nutrition, some nutrients in me, I'm gonna have this piece of fruit, and then later on we're gonna be making a bigger whole food based meal with a lot more minerals and vitamins that we're kind of lacking today. And while Catherine's finishing up the dinner, this is the snack that I'm gonna go for. So these are some cinnamon rolls from this company called Do It Well. And it's crazy. This has 110 calories and 10 grams of protein, which is a lot, especially for something that tastes really sweet. Of course, it has you know, artificial sweeteners, and it's not the best for you, but as a snack, when you're craving something like a cinnamon roll, this is amazing. Well, it's so good. It's the easiest 10 grams of protein you'll ever eat. Alright, Catherine, what did you prepare for dinner today?
I did prepare kind of like a bean root veggie bowl. I have some quinoa. We just had a tiny bit of quinoa left, so I just cooked what we had. And then we got veggies, so it's purple sweet potato, Japanese sweet potato, carrots, orange bell pepper, and some onion. So this is just black beans, pinto beans, that I cooked with some onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. I just steamed some greens, so I think this was like chard. I'm going to add some avocado for that good fat. And then I made a cashew dressing, so it's just cashews, water, and lemon juice. I'm gonna drizzle that like all over.
That looks amazing. This looks much better than a restaurant meal, and it probably tastes even better too. Man, that's really good, Catherine. So good. I don't know how it is for you guys, but for me, a meal is not complete unless I have some sort of legumes, some sort of greens, and also some sort of starchy vegetable like potatoes. And actually avocado as well is always key, or a other source of fat, but without those components, a meal doesn't feel complete to me. So let me know if you have something like that as well. Some staples that you have to include every single day. Share that in the comment section below. I'd be super interested to hear that. And by the way, this is Taylor. Taylor is staying with us in the house right now. And Taylor, what do you do, man? Tell the people what you're all about.
Well, like John, I've been a vegan coach for 10 years now, 10th year of being vegan, just over 10 years being a coach, and yeah, love every minute of it. It's my passion to help people transform their lives.
So basically me and Taylor are working really hard together right now, which is why he came over to really focus on the online coaching aspect of things, because we're taking it to the next level. If you are interested in something like this, some personal hands-on coaching by us, please follow the link in the description box below and apply and hop on a call with us for free. Okay guys, so it's time to finish up this vlog. It's been a long day. Definitely the honeymoon phase of this American vegan food is still going on. So that is definitely something that I'm looking to clean up. So next video, when I'm showing you guys what I eat in a day, it's probably gonna be super whole food based, lots more recipes that you can prepare at home, and less you know, restaurant meals and so on. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this gave you a lot of ideas for what to eat as a plant-based athlete or just a normal person. And finally, if you're looking for for guidance and help to achieve your goals, make sure to hit us up by following the link in the description box. We got meal plans, workout plans, and high-level coaching with myself, my brother, Dr. Jon Venus, and Taylor as well. We are here doing the best we can to change people's health around. So visit our page, book a call with us, or send someone that you know that needs this service to us as well. We'll take care of them. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see you very soon. Peace out.